Hello guys, Nepal Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we're going to take a break from all the WWDC and iOS 14 videos and we're gonna have an unboxing. So today we're unboxing the Apple Watch magnetic charger. This is an accessory that came out pretty much in the time of the first generation Apple Watch. And yeah, it's meant to protect your Apple Watch while you charge it and also to provide a good nightstand. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so to open this up, we don't have any pull tabs or anything, and yeah, we will need a knife. Thankfully I do have one, and yeah, we just cut here on the edges. I think this should be enough. Okay, probably not. And so cute. It's actually smaller than I thought. So this is the thing. It has some weight to it actually, and yeah, so this is actually, you can tell it's a new version because it has the Apple Park address instead of the old one in the plastic here. So yeah, it does have some weight. This surface is like very smooth and feels like very premium, and on the bottom we just have microfiber. Yeah, so this is similar to what we find in the Apple cases, especially Apple Silicon cases. This one is kind of similar to Apple Silicon cases, but I'd say it's different. It's like less smooth, but still like very smooth. And what's the good thing about it? Well, you can have the Apple Watch charging like this, or you can put it up and charge like this. So that's pretty good because it supports pretty much any type of band that you put on it. So that's great. But yeah, let's see what else is inside. We have this cable here, which I'm not sure if it's 1 meter or 2 meters. I think it used to be 2 meters, but here it says 1 meter charging cable. So maybe it's 1 meter. And yeah, then we have some warranty instructions, regulatory information, and blah. Nothing too exciting here. But yeah, this is it. So we're gonna connect it and try it out. Okay, so we're gonna take this lightning cable because I'm pretty sure it's actually 2 meters. If it was 1 meter I wouldn't even take it out of this, but being 2 meters, yes, it is 2 meters, nice. So that's pretty nice actually. I don't know why it said 1 meter cable here though, but anyways. Yeah, this is very helpful. I actually don't have any 2 meter lightning cable. But yeah, nice. So we should connect this to a power adapter. This does not include one, but one did come with your Apple Watch or with your iPhone or whatever, so if you have one laying around, you can use that. And yeah, so we're gonna put this here. The fact that I have so many lights means that I still don't have, again, I don't have any free plugs here, so I need to get some new ones. But yeah, we connected here. This is a lightning port, and it does fit pretty nice. And yeah, then we can just pull this up, take out the sticker, and that's it. But yeah, this is actually pretty nice because it's like completely polished metal here. It's almost like a mirror, and yeah, and so it's on the sides, and yeah, it's very nice, very nice. I like it a lot. Okay, so now time to try it. Of course, we have the Apple Watch here, so we can put it either like this, and it would be in nightstand mode actually, which is nice, or we can put it like this. So if we do have this type of bands, it's probably more easier to put it like this. Also because it's magnetic actually, and you kind of tend to take the whole thing, but I guess like it's just if you really try to take the whole thing, you will. Otherwise, you just take it out and it's easy. But yeah, so what I brought here again is my old Apple Watch with a sports loop band, just so we can see why this is here. So yeah, if you have a sports loop band which you wouldn't be able to charge like this, you can just pull the thingy out, put it here, and boom, you're charging your Apple Watch with the loop band. So this is very nice. This also would work like this with the Milanese loop and the link bracelet thing. But yeah, so this is nice. The price for this, I'm pretty sure, is $80 or euro. It's an expensive price, to be honest. But yeah, we all know that already from Apple. And yeah, I do like it also because if you have it charged like this, it will rest on this very soft surface, so it will not scratch it against the table or whatever. Also, if you do have the cable, you don't have to find it or whatever. And this will actually be replacing my Lego stand that I've been using for about 4 years now, actually. So yeah, it's long overdue. Let me know down below in the comments if you want me to make a video about the Apple Watch stand, like the Lego one. But yeah, so I think this will be a nice replacement. I really like the fact that you can turn how, yeah, you can just put it like this or the other way. It's always like that, and yeah, I really like it. I actually do recommend it. If you can get it on sale, that would be even better. I got this for €60, which is 25% off actually, so not a bad deal. But yeah, so yeah, if you have any questions about this, please let me know down below in the comments. By the way, this will work with all Apple Watch models that have been made so far. That is up to the Series 5. I don't know in the future, whenever you're seeing this, but probably they will work as well. And yeah, so yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.